Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blocks airplane. First, gather your essential building blocks, focusing on a strong 8-stud long base for the main body. This will be the core of your airplane, providing stability. Next, connect 2 4-stud long blocks to the front, forming the nose and cockpit area. Make sure these initial connections are very secure, as a solid foundation is crucial for a well-built model. We are aiming for a robust and balanced structure right from the start. Now, let's focus on the wings and tail, which are vital for flight. Create 2 main wings, each measuring 6 studs wide and 8 studs long, ensuring they are identical for balance. Position these wings securely on the fuselage, approximately 2/3 of the way back from the nose. For the tail, use a 4-stud wide block for the horizontal stabilizer and add a 2-stud tall vertical piece. These components will give your airplane its distinctive shape and aerodynamic properties. Moving on, we'll add the engines and landing gear. For the engines, use 2x2 round bricks to form 2 nacelles, attaching one securely beneath each wing. You can then add propeller pieces or sleek jet engine cones to the front of these nacelles for a realistic touch. Next, build the landing gear using 4 small wheels. Attach 2 wheels near the front of the fuselage and 2 more towards the rear, ensuring your airplane can stand and roll smoothly. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and a test flight. Personalize your airplane by adding decorative elements such as windows, lights, or colorful stripes using smaller blocks. Before its maiden voyage, carefully inspect all connections to ensure every piece is firmly attached and nothing is loose. Then, perform a gentle test glide from a low height to observe its balance and flight path. Make any minor adjustments needed to perfect your magnificent block airplane.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.